Hi, this is Crash Metalcrafts, and this is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This car came in with the front end damage, and after taking off the bumper, we realized that the frame is damaged, and we made a decision to replace the driver frame rail and fix the passenger side frame rail. And here's what the repair looked like. Unfortunately, with high volumes of customers at our shop, I was not able to record the assembly of this car, but I was for sure able to capture the details of metal repair on this frame. Same as always, I start with taking everything off. On this car, I need to take off the whole radiator support, so I drained the coolant and recovered the refrigerant off camera. Now I'm cutting the frame. This rail is made out of multiple layers and my sawzall is going crazy. After cutting it off, I remove all of the extra pieces from the inside. I then use hydraulics to bring the passenger side frame rail back to its place. It's time for the new part. I measured the front end and installed the front bumper. And I weld the frame together. There you go. Please leave a like and follow.